So basically yesterday I got this huge box in the mail and it's been a lot of self-control not opening it until today because I wanted to film an unboxing. Yeah, this isn't gonna be like a lot of my other travel videos, but I'm like super excited about these shoes and I thought other people might be too. So yeah. Basically I bought some new Doc Martens, which you can probably tell by the title. They are the vegan Jadon boots, and to be honest, I was a little bit scared to buy them because they look so cool on other people. I just really didn't think they were my style. They are like double-soled frigging shoes, badass stomping shoes, which are definitely not going to be great for travel because they're super heavy. Like if I travel with them, I would probably have to wear them all the time because I just couldn't carry them. Yeah, so I thought I would do a little unboxing of those. They are, well, you'll see what they are in a minute, but so for now, what you've all been waiting for, I'm gonna unbox this bad boy. Quite a big box. Oh god, I open boxes a lot for work, but yet I can't even open this one. So basically I bought them from Urban Outfitters, and I also bought a pair of black Jadon boots, which we can compare the pair. They're not going to be mine, but they're in here and we can have a look. Oh! So for reference, I'm just going to say this now, I have a size 9 foot, so yeah, I normally take a UK 6 in Doc Martens because my feet are pretty skinny. And everyone said to size down in these, but I didn't. I just went with my normal Doc Martens size. So we'll see if that fits. Isn't this like a great little... Oh, I can't hold it up. There's 2 boxes. There's a receipt. There's paper. Wow, they had to like secure these bad boys. And here are my red Jadon boots. They are the Jadon II boots in Red Rouge, and to be honest, I'm pretty scared about that, and I'll tell you about that in a second, but let's open it. So I kind of have quite a few pairs of Doc Martens now. I got a lot before I was vegan, and it was really annoying that they didn't have many vegan styles that I liked, but they have this one. Oops, kind of opened it. Anyway, there we go. I should open it on camera. Here it is. Some paper and plastic. Okay, I'll just take this out. I can't hold it up. They're like, it's so heavy. Big reveal. To be honest, holy crap. Initial reaction, this color is fucking sick. They have the zip here, and oh, they're padded on the inside. Wow, they're pretty heavy. They're probably as heavy as like 2 pairs of my Doc Martens. I don't know, that's assuming, I don't know. But wow, they got the vegan tag, a zip, and yeah, they're a UK 6, EU 39. I'll get the other one out. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. My 5th pair of Doc Martens, well, kind of 6th. I sold a pair recently. Oh my god, what is this bullshit? Who did that? They already crinkled. That is rather annoying. And that's the inside. If you haven't seen a Doc Marten box, it's got this on the bottom. Sole's actually a lot squidgier than I thought it would be, which is good because I thought it'd be kind of hard to walk in. I have like crazy weird feet, so I'm not really sure how these will go. I can already tell when I'm walking. This zip is going to be annoying. And to be honest, when I was looking at these shoes, I really did not like the whole zip thing. But that's just because I don't like zips. The color is actually stunning. I always kept wanting them to make a black version of these. But then after seeing some photos, like the red was really cool. It's like less grungy, like more... hopefully more me. It's not really my style, to be honest, but we'll see when I try it on. Basically, this will be my 2nd pair of vegan ones. I also have these ones here, which is the same color. It's just the 1461s, and I've had them for about a year and they're actually still really stiff to walk in, so I was pretty scared about these. Hopefully I don't die, because I literally got a blister last week and I think I've had these for almost a year. I find that they get really hot and sweaty because they're like just not breathable at all, and I don't know why I bought these, considering these are kind of hurting me a lot, but they're so pretty. So I'm like slightly scared of this color, because with my 1461s they like crease a lot because they're shiny. Like these look perfect right now, but I'm not sure how these are gonna age. But yeah, like if you look at these, they have a lot of creases. Well, I guess it looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe I'll be fine. But yeah, that's these ones. My main concern is that with all the vegan shoes, it's really hard to put in orthotics. And if you're an orthotics wearer like I am, you're mainly getting Doc Martens to wear orthotics. So they have the like half sole in there, so it like only is there, and then down further there's like nothing. So maybe I'll try this on right now without the orthotics. My foot is like quite far down the end, so I'm guessing the size down thing is sizing down from your normal size. They feel really cool though. I guess I could get thinner orthotics because my orthotics are like this big. Yeah, I can't really show you because it's on my foot, and my legs are very sore from soccer training. First soccer training of the year. But yeah, it seems to fit. I don't think it's gonna fit with the orthotics. It's just a bit cozy. It's a bit cozy in there. Now I'm going to open the black ones so we can see a comparison. So just in case you want an unboxing of the black ones, let's just do a little tiny quick unboxing. I'm just gonna open one of them. Here we go, the black ones. I just kind of do wish they had the vegan version. I reckon they're probably just gonna do it. They're just waiting for everyone to buy the red ones first. Classic. Holy shit. Oh, I totally didn't really do an unboxing in front of you, but it's basically like the red ones. Okay, so this has the normal tag here and a bunch of shit on the inside. I actually have noticed right now, if I'm doing a good comparison video of the two, that it also has the half sole on the inside. So it's not the full Doc Martens sole that you get in the regular shoes. It's the half sole. The sizing seems pretty much exactly the same. The two different shoes. Maybe this is a tiny bit shorter. Also, it feels a lot softer. Oh, and also just looking at them, I think, yeah, the main differences are just the tags and the laces. So these have like the normal laces, and these have like, I don't know, it's like a waxy lace. These look pretty sick though, you're just gonna say. Please, Doc Martens, make the black vegan ones. So actually I just realized there's another difference with these shoes. It's been like an hour since I filmed that video, and it's actually the backs of the shoes. The leather ones seem to have like this design, and these ones do not. But so far, that's really the only difference apart from being synthetic and stuff. But yeah, I will go back to the video now. So that was the unboxing. Let me know what you think of these shoes. Obviously they are very ridiculously tall. I mainly got them so I could be a bit higher when I'm at festivals and see better, and also get a bit taller compared to Lauren. Lauren is like my travel bud, and she's like almost 6 foot, and I'm just down here like low in the photos. So if I wear these, maybe I'll be as tall as her, something. But yeah, I'm going to try these on properly and I'll show you.
Love! I like shiny.
These are probably not made for the beach. Oh well. Alright, so that was my unboxing slash review. I know it was a little bit different from my normal travel videos, but let me know if you want more videos like this, because I do actually like fashion-y stuff too, even though I'm not very fashionable at all. But yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep wandering. There's no romance, just like my life.
Romance is an empty shell.
Oh, just look at the shoes.
Boink.
Nothing's going on.